love the response I just got. Hi guys, I'm in the kitchen. Whoa! And I'm actually going to try to post one of my baking videos. Today, I look like a mushroom, but it's okay. No, today we are going to be making a checkerboard cake. I just spent the last half an hour trying to get all the ingredients ready, so we have everything ready. I'm going to try to make this kind of a professional baking thing. Professional? I don't know. So, let's do it.
Bake!
Okay, first step, besides greasing and ingredients, which don't need to do, meaning I already did it. Melt chocolate in cold or lukewarm. I think I'm gonna wait. That needs to be lukewarm. I'm gonna wait. So I'm gonna go to mix and sift together the flour, baking soda or baking powder. I did that last time, and salt. Okay, well I already sifted the flour because it said sifted flour. So I'm going to sift baking powder and salt, which is already mixed together, into the flour. So now we have to cream the shortening until it's fluffy.
I'm not getting completely clueless, but about 80% clueless, I'd say.
Now we add the sugar gradually over a period of 3 to 5 minutes, beating well after additions.
Sugar, 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 sugar.
Now, I don't know what I'm doing. Add the vanilla and well-beaten egg yolks. Excuse me? When was I supposed to beat the egg yolks? I wasn't. Cool. Beat my egg yolks, apparently. Didn't know. There we go. Seems well beaten to me. Now I'm going to fold in the egg whites that have been beaten, which have to be stiff but not dry. No idea what that means, but that's okay. Now I gotta divide it. Actually gonna add now let's put it into the tin. do anything to save my life. Better lighting. I'm gonna do, oh my god. Okay, this is gonna be hard to explain. But the instructions for this special cake, said that I have to put the batter in this to cook it. But what I'm gonna do is use this as a cutter because it's very sharp and layer it like that. You know? So, we'll see how this goes. It'll make more sense once you see me do it. This is the chocolate one, this is the vanilla one. Hey, like I said before, this has to be the outer layer, vanilla, chocolate. So, wait, I'm confused. I don't know if I'll have enough cake, because the picture, I don't think it's going to be 3 layers. I'm sorry, it's not going to be, but it's okay.
All we need now is for it not to come out the tin. My cake stacking. I'll be back when I'm ready to frost. Okay, I'm back. I have a mess in front of me. Okay, so I have my cake in front of me. I have a piping bag full of pink frosting, pre-made, and half of this, and then that I colored pink, and then I have the other half of just white. Since Valentine's Day is coming up, I just decided to do this, so you're welcome. It's not meant to be a Valentine's Day cake, but it's okay. So we're gonna see if this piping actually works. If it doesn't, then I'm just going to spread it on top. So let's try just a little bit. Huh? Okay. Actually, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Okay. I honestly don't really know what I can do to actually pipe this crap. Because I think if I squeeze it, if I hold it. Okay, if I hold it. If I hold it in 10 places at once, this might work. Okay guys, so I did it differently this time, but I still ended up like jury rigging this, so maybe it won't come off. Okay. I'm gonna still hold this because I do not trust this. I don't want to ruin the checkerboard. The checkerboard. Okay, Olivia. The checkerboard. Inside.
Okay guys, I'm gonna cut into this and see if it looks pretty on the inside. Oh, I should have cut on the crack. I'm gonna try to get a plate. I think it's gonna fall apart because I didn't actually put frosting in between the layers. But yeah, we can see if it's checkerboard. So all everyone wants to know. It is. Look at that. If I hold it together, you can see it is indeed a checkerboard cake. Taste test.
I'm trying to debate whether I like it or not. No, I do like it.
I'm gonna go eat this piece of cake. I will be very happy. It is slightly kind of gummy, but that might be because I didn't actually whip my egg whites. I didn't understand that part, and that was supposed to make it fluffier. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more baking, tell me down below what you want me to bake next. I'm overall very happy with it. So, give me a thumbs up, comment, click subscribe, turn on my bell, because I don't post that often. Or don't, it's your life. So, I'll see you when I see you. So long, suckers.